Jackie and Jimmer, I'm honored to be among your family and friends. And as you begin this new life together, know that you have the support and the care and the love of so many people.
Jackie, you are the perfect person for my brother. You bring out every single best piece of my brother.
I'm happy that she found someone that she loves with all her heart. I honestly have never seen her as happy as she is with you.
We're really pleased to have everybody here to celebrate on this very happy occasion for Jimmer and Jackie.
So here's a toast to the newlyweds.
Congratulations to you both.
To Mr. and Mrs. Bennett.